blessings! Welcome to my channel, and for today's vlog, magtutour tayo ulit dito sa Eucaris Residence dito sa My Happy Home Subdivision. Tara, samahan niyo ako at ikutin natin ang new look ng kanilang bahay. So ayan guys, welcome sa Eucaris Residence. Pasok tayo. Ano kayang makita ng sulab? Dati empty pa ito ngayon. Wow! So ito, pagpasok natin, naka-apang sa atin yung kanilang TV, smart TV, and then meron silang counter, and ito yung kanilang cabinets and lights. Ayan. So yung cabinet nila is white, nagmamatch talaga sa kulay ng dingding din, and ito yung kanilang mga decors. Ayan, meron siya mga decors, wall decors, and winery. Ayan, maliit na winery lang. And ito ng sink nila. So, meron din lagyan ng sabon. Ayan o. Very classy. Para hindi mo makita yung sponge. And then, merong ornament plant doon. So, may mga cabinet dito sa ibaba. Ito yung coaster nila. Nandito yung kanilang oven. And of course, the air fryer. And rice cooker and induction cooker. So, for electric appliances nandito. Ito yung mga lagyan nila ng dishes. Ayan, pull-up dish counter. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa kanilang sala. So, ito yung kanilang living room area. Makita natin yung kanilang sofa. At saka yung mga design ornament yan. Side table with the matching flowers. Ito yung counter. Yan. Another look of the kitchen. So, napaka-aesthetic ng design. Yan. Yung kanilang mga appliances in the proper place. So, classy. So, aesthetic. And ito yung kanilang refrigerator. Kanilang oven. Microwave oven. Ito yung sa likod. Yung kanilang meron silang washroom din, sink diyan, dito sa likod. Ayan o. So meron ding table dyan for pwedeng kainan, and another CR there. So ito ang tiles nila sa loob, and then merong dirty carpet. Yung kulay ng kanilang sofa. And then another side table dito naman sa kabila. Meron silang lamp for study. Of course, di mawawala yung fan. And meron silang vacuum cleaner. Nagamit din sila dyan. So ito yung TV nila guys. It is smart TV. I-on natin yung TV nila. Yes. So, sound operated din yung kanilang TV. Open YouTube. So, ayan guys. At your voice lang lalabas. And, of course, open na din yung YouTube channel. So, JB TV. Ayun o. So, this is the smart TV. You can watch YouTube anytime, anywhere. Guys, pwede tayo manood ng YouTube dito. Ay, may lang chairs din for the poster. Pwede mong kumain dito. Habang nanonood ng TV, so TV travels. And Baguio. Okay, that's it. Turn off TV. Refrigerator, and then ito yung microwave oven, nilagyan ng tubig, and mga gamit nila. Ayan. rep. Okay, next time na lang. Yung nalagyan din mga dilata at seasoning. Alright. So we're done here in the kitchen and the sala, dining, and the living room. We have a painting here. This is the comfort room, guys. So you can see here is the there's gonna sink in, and then the tiles. That's it. Yung sa likod kanina, napala na lang ito. So this is another look of their back area. There's CR here. And then stock room as well. So ito yung kainan. And meron din silang sink. Another wash area. Okay. So kanilang faucet is adjustable. And then kanilang water tap. Yung sa last time meron. So yan guys, yung sa likod nila, yung ginagamit nila dito yung pebbles, black and white pebbles. So design, cute diba? So kaya tayo sa second floor guys. So we're up here in the second floor. And then ito yung kanilang lagyan ng sapatos. And then here we go. So tayo dito sa first room nila. Ang tawag natin gaming also, and study and slash gym. So ito yung study area. Also nila for during the online class. Gym area. Treadmill, weights. Computer for gaming, and this is for work. Check. Access the campus there, and that's a task room, so loft. Okay, loft is hagdan. And paper collection tape, Naruto collectibles. ayan guys, thank you sa pagsama sa akin dito sa house tour dito sa Happy Homes. Relax muna tayo guys, touch na yan. See you in the next vlog. Bye everyone, happy New Year, welcome 2024 with a bang. Bye bye.